Hello, dear YouTube viewers. Today we will talk about different career opportunities in law. So, what are the different career opportunities after completing your 3 years or 5 years of LLB? So, the very first career opportunity is, of course, to become an advocate. You can practice in civil or criminal matters. You can practice in both of these or any of these, in whichever field you like more, or you want to practice in both, you can practice in both. In civil matters there are property matters, divorce cases, family disputes, etc. So after completing your LLB, you have to apply in the prescribed form, enroll with your state bar council, and then you have to give the All India Bar entrance examination. And once you qualify in that examination, then you will get the license, which is popularly called as Sanad. And once you get that, then you can practice in the court of law. So the second career opportunity is you can choose to become a solicitor. So you have to give the examination for solicitor, and you have to complete the requirement, qualify, and then once you meet all the requirements and clear the solicitor's exam, apart from your graduation in law, then that can be one of the best career opportunities anyone might opt for. But having said that, solicitors exams are not easy, they are very difficult, but obviously nothing is impossible if we really want to do it. Now the third career option is to become a judge, to apply for judicial services exams. So you can obviously become a judge. Once you qualify for the judicial services exam, you can become a magistrate, judge, So that can also be a very good career option. Then if you don't want to practice in the court of law as an advocate, but you are more interested in working in companies and you don't want to appear in the court as an advocate, then you can choose to become a corporate lawyer. The difference between the corporate lawyer and an advocate, or a lawyer and an advocate, is that the advocate is the one who has the sanad. He applies for the All India Bar examination, and once he clears the entrance, then he gets the sanad. And lawyer is a graduate in law who has completed 3 years or 5 years of LLB, but he has not applied for sanad. He is only working as a lawyer, in the sense he is working in a company or as a teacher or in any other form. So this is you can also apply to be a corporate lawyer. You can work in any company which has a legal department, and you can give them legal advice, and the matters related to HR and framing policies, and so many matters are there. So this is also a good career option if you don't want to become an advocate and you just want to have a 9 to 5 or 10 to 6 job, whatever, and then you can also apply for corporate lawyer. Now after this, you can also choose to become a professor if you are interested in teaching also. And after LLB you completed your LLM, and then there are some exams for teaching which you have to clear. So once you clear that exam after your LLM, then you can apply for teaching in any law school. So this is also a very good career option, especially when you are interested in teaching also. And apart from this, you can also choose to become a legal journalist if your interest is in journalism. Then the work which will be given to you will be more on reports on cases, and the live cases from the court of law. So because those kinds of reporting requires understanding of law, and if you are a law graduate, then of course you will be able to do that job much better way compared to a person who has not studied in law. So if you have interest in journalism, then you can also apply for legal journalist. And apart from this, there are some career opportunities which are called as legal researcher and law processing, the KPO and all these things. But all of that is all part of corporate lawyer, because whether you work as a legal researcher or legal analyst or anything like that, it all comes under the head of corporate lawyer. You are either doing research, or you are working as an analyst, or anything. So that's why there is no need to give it is different heading altogether. That is a part of corporate lawyer. So these are the career opportunities, and law is definitely a very interesting realm, very interesting area, very interesting field, and I will recommend you to do law. If you are interested in law, then you should definitely do it. But if you are not interested in practicing, or in any other career opportunity associated with it, then maybe you should strive for something else. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and add the like button and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.